You know, I saw this Bahamian on TikTok saying he wishes the Bahamas was as popular as Jamaica. He used to live in the US and said every state has Jamaican restaurants, but barely any Bahamian ones. He admitted Jamaican culture is everywhere, our music, our food, our vibe. He even said nobody really knows Bahamian artists. Now, he made it clear, he's not talking about tourism. He said when it comes to that, the Bahamas and Jamaica are neck and neck. What he's talking about is cultural recognition. But here's the part that made me chuckle a bit. Jamaican culture is popular because people like me push it. I know the culture, I live the culture, and I've been sharing it authentically, especially the food. I don't do fusion. I don't water it down. I push that old school, traditional Jamaican cooking. And long before I was born, we had Bob Marley and plenty more icons pushing Jamaica to the world. But let's be real, how does Jamaica being popular actually help Jamaicans? Does it make life easier? Not really. I still have to work hard to create a good life for myself and my family. Now, let's look at his island. GDP per capita in the Bahamas? Around $32,000. Jamaica? Around $10,000. Yes, the Bahamas is more expensive to live in, but the wages match that. Plus, you rank higher in political stability, civil rights, and you've got more coastline too. And let's not ignore this, Jamaicans are migrating to the Bahamas. That alone should tell you something. So while popularity is nice, don't let it overshadow the real value your country has. If no one is pushing Bahamian culture, then that's the gap to fill. Your country's economy is stronger, more stable, and people are coming to you, why stress about popularity? It's nice, but it doesn't feed you. Push your culture if you want it known, but don't overlook the blessings you already have.